OrganaBio is a source tissue provider and isolated cell provider to cell and gene therapy companies. That includes traditional biotech and large pharma. Most of our customers are anti-cancer in focus or anti-autoimmune disease, if you will. And our suite of services is not only tissue and cell isolation, cell manufacturing, which includes GMP and clinical grade, but a set of services such as outsourced cryopreservation and cell isolation for clinical trials or research studies, whether it's anti-CD19 or any sort of next generation therapy.
And I'm Priya Baraniak. I'm the Chief Business Officer and also serve as our Laboratory Director. Well, we're very excited to be manufacturing a CD34 starting material from cord blood this year for one of our customers and partners, and seeing them take that into the clinic. And so we've actually been nominated for the Translator of the Year award here at ATW based on that work. So we're very excited, and we're actually supporting 4 NKT companies this year, as well as large pharma as they move their clinical trials forward. So it's going to be a very exciting year for OrganaBio.
We think that there's still a lot of developers that need to know who OrganaBio is and what we do and how we can help them, and specifically how we can be a partner that meets their needs where they are now and takes them all the way through clinical grade manufacturing. And so a big part of our push here is awareness and education on why it's important to partner with somebody like OrganaBio, who specifically can show their partner a long runway and on their development path, so they don't have to switch partners maybe once they get to GMP or clinical grade manufacturing. We think that we're that partner.
Coming off JP Morgan last week, there's a lot of optimism for the industry. I think the FDA is poised to start approving more therapies coming off the gene therapy approval at the end of last year. And so I think we're going to see momentum pick back up. 2021 was a banner year. We had a little bit of a downturn, 2022, 2023, but I think 2024 is poised to see more approvals and a lot of a real step forward for cell and gene therapy. So it's very exciting.
Yeah, I think the change for me coming off the downturn in biotech is that I feel like developers and partners in industry are really talking to each other in a way that they haven't before. There's a reality kind of in the conversation now. And so developers are saying, this is what I need, and partners are saying, this is what I can deliver, and this is what's realistic. And it's a real conversation. And I think that's a wonderful thing for the industry, because the goal for everybody is this, to grow and grow big and do things that are based in reality. So I think my prediction is that more of that will happen. And as a result, the industry will be stronger and more resilient.